Come on, just a little bit more. There you go.
Should be cooking, Mommy.
All right, come on.
Cooking?
A little bit more. Dot, turn the spoon around. To the back. There you go. There you go. Now spread it on there.
Whoa, good job.
Should be
Hold.
cooking.
You gotta hold. You have to hold your plate, so don't go nowhere.
What are you putting on it?
Mayonnaise.
Mayonnaise? What are you gonna put on it next?
That's enough. That's enough mayonnaise. You want more? A little bit more. Okay.
On this bread.
All right. Go ahead. There you go. Keep going. Spread it out. Spread it over there. All right.
Now over here.
Over there. All right. So turn your bread around. There you go. The back. There you go.
Well, I didn't know you could make your own sandwich.
Oh, you guys didn't like it.
We didn't let you. So you gonna start making
Alright.
me sandwiches?
So you finish?
What?
All right. So when you finish, put your spoon right here until you finish, and then we'll close it up. How much? Get your ham. Get your cheese.
Well, you're gonna get ham and cheese.
Here. Get your cheese.
Ham and cheese. Ham and cheese.
Get
Ham
your
and cheese. Ah! Uh-oh.
You got it? All right. Pull it open.
I don't know if you can open it by itself. Let's see, can you open it?
Open the bag. Pull it open. Pull it open. There you go. Get your cheese. Take out the paper. Take out the whole thing.
Yeah, take the whole thing out.
Take it out. There you go. And get your cheese. Get your slice. Yeah, man. You want one or two?
You gonna put on another piece?
Maybe just want the one and put it back in the bag. Finish with that one. Put it back in the bag. There you go. A little bit of help with your hand.
Get your ham. You gotta make 1,000 sandwiches. No?
That's a lot of words.
That's a lot of words. So how many you making now?
One.
One?
I can make one for you.
Nah, I don't know.
Alright, take your hand. You can fold it in half when you pick it up. So you can spit on the bread. Put on top of your cheese. Fold it in half.
Chef Jacob.
There you go.
We gotta get you a chef hat.
No.
No? You don't wanna get a red chef hat?
Blue one.
You want a blue chef hat? Put on the cheese.
There you go.
Talking. Beans on him.
Alright, there you go.
You want one slice of ham or two?
One.
One.
Oh man, you made your
So how you make a
sandwich.
sandwich? Tell everyone, that's how you make a sandwich.
Tell mom that doesn't make a sandwich. Try.
What? What do you say now? Say thank you for watching.
Thank you for watching. Hit the subscribe button.
Hit the subscribe button. Let's see you take a bite. Say see you later.